central in the heart of Liberty Village. Gorgeous sub-penthouse, 1-bedroom plus den suite with over 635 square feet. And I love the 10-foot ceilings that you get on this level. Southwest exposure with forever lake views overlooking BMO Field. Let's have a look. Private full-width balcony, extra deep and magnificent city and southwest sunset and lake views. You can even catch a little bit of the Argos or Toronto FC.